kaZoleka ulengela eweni kunzima kakhulu. On the other side, uLazarus-ke uzama ukulungisa i-relationship yakhe nondodana wakhe. Bese kuthi-ke uZethu guys uyagowa kakhulu. Mayithi izinto seziba right, okunye futhi kuyenzeka empilweni yakhe mayelana nengane. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 17th to the 21st of August 2026 on Monday. A miracle offers hope when all seems lost. Lazarus and Zoleka's marriage is pushed to its limit by questions of trust and equality. And as Zetu begins to heal, another battle quietly take shape on Tuesday. Just as Zetu begins to embrace motherhood, another family storm gathers. Lazarus' jealousy leaves Uzoleka questioning the future of their marriage, and an important tradition threatened to ignite a fresh conflict on Wednesday. One reckless decision places a newborn baby in terrible danger. Qawe and Azande step in as Zoleka and Lazarus struggle to hold their family together, and a single choice set a nightmare in motion on Thursday. Panic turned into accusation as a conflict ensues between Mama and Mamkhulu Nomfundiso refuses to stand, while Zoleka and Lazarus drift further apart, and one shocking confrontation changes everything on Friday. A devastating revelation leaves Zetu fighting for her future as a mother. Nomfundiso refuses to give up on saving Zoleka and Lazarus' marriage, and Tumega makes a decision that could tear two families apart. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.